The ESAIL Maritime satellite has been launched successfully. It is now on its way to a sun-synchronous orbit of more than 500 kilometers above the Earth. Congratulations to everyone involved. ESAIL will soon be fulfilling its purpose, making shipping around the world safer, enabling fleet management, fisheries monitoring and environmental protection. ESAIL will also provide data to the European Maritime Safety Agency, helping the next generation of global maritime traffic services to manage our busy shipping lanes more efficiently. ESAIL is the first satellite of its kind, produced and assembled in Luxembourg by LuxSpace under an ESA partnership project in collaboration with the Luxembourg Space Agency. The project demonstrates the existing skills and expertise in Luxembourg's space sector, enhancing the integration of Luxembourg companies in international networks. ESAIL is an additional testimony to our dedication as a country to be an innovation-focused and progressive location for commercial space initiatives. This Vega launch also marks an important milestone for Europe. It will premiere a new dispenser called the Small Spacecraft Mission Service. It will transport more than 50 satellites at once into orbit on the first rideshare mission dedicated to light satellites, making access to space more affordable. Therefore, once again, my heartfelt congratulations to all the teams involved in the ESAIL project.